Characteristics of the social stratification. It is social in its nature. Social stratification is social in character, and it does not represent the biological inequality. The factors like strength, intelligence, age, sex uh, can often determine the differences of strata or the status. For example, the manager of an industry have uh, have dominant position not by his physical strength nor by his age, but by having socially defined roles, and his education, his training, and his skills and experience, personality, character, etc., are important than the biological inequalities. Secondly, it is characterized by, it is ancient in character. The stratification is found right from the ancient time. It is ancient, and according to historical records, the age and sex were the main criterion of stratification. Women and children last was the women and children are women and children last was the rule of the order, or rule of social order. Differentiation between the rich and poor, powerful and humble, and the freemen and slaves are there in almost all ancient civilization. From the time of ancient time of Plato and Kautilya, social philosophers have been deeply concerned about economic, social, and political inequalities, and hence it is ancient. The stratification is found right from the ancient time, and it is universal in nature. The stratification is universal, and it is universal phenomena. The stratification is universal phenomena. It is found in all the all places and all the time, as well as it is found in almost all the universe. And difference between rich and poor, haves and have nots, not found, or have nots found in everywhere. And even in non-literate societies, social stratification is very much present. Sociologist P.A. Sorokin rightly pointed out all organized societies are stratified. He says all the organized society there is stratification. So he pointed out that all organized societies are stratified. And fourthly, it is variety in forms. The stratification is found in variety of forms. The stratification is not uniform, one and the same in everywhere. It is found in variety of forms in different places, different time. The ancient Roman society was stratified into patricians and plebeians, and the ancient Aryan society divided into Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudras. And the ancient Greek society divided into freemen and slaves. Ancient Chinese society divided into mandarins, merchants, farmers, and soldiers. And caste class and estate are the general form of stratification found in the modern society. It is the caste class and estate. It is complex in nature, found in modern society. And